I'm Carmen with a K, and this is my husband, Tom.
What's up?
And we just purchased our dream home. And it is actually a former dry cleaning
establishment.
dry cleaner's place. And we have a lot of work ahead of us, and we would like to take you along with us as we make this place, the former dry cleaners, into our dream home and art studio for myself. We're gonna take you on a little tour so you can see the space and what you have to look forward to.
Hopefully not a 4-hour tour. Or is it a 3-hour tour? All right, let's press on. Hello. So you're at the front of the establishment, which used to be the office for the dry cleaners. We're hoping to turn this into a front porch one day. Come on into the main area. This is the majestic building we're going to turn into bedrooms, bathrooms, living room, kitchen. It has been here since the early 1900s. They say it was formerly a schoolhouse, and then it was dry cleaning businesses, several of them over the years.
Okay, go.
So this is the front of the, let's cut. I'm gonna come out of here like fun.
There we go.
So as you can see, it's just an empty shell with a nice concrete slab. Lots of wood. No insulation yet.
And this is called a monitor type of structure. with this ceiling that goes really high up right down the center of the structure.
And we're making our way to the back.
We are planning on making a bedroom here and another bedroom over here with kind of a Jack and Jill bathroom. And over on this side, from about here to here, will be our master bedroom. From those doors all the way up front and this way will be my art studio.
A lot of the windows need repair, but we're going to try to keep the original windows because they're so beautiful. Lots of natural light coming in on the first floor and above, as you see.
Once we scrape them.
Need to be scraped. A couple of them don't have windows. They are open to nature, so we might have some birds in here joining us.
Over in this corner, hopefully a kitchen with, I would love to have some sliding doors that open to the back yard.
And this used to be a restroom for the workers. We won't show that to you because it is pretty disgusting.
Or actually, I think they would want to see. Okay, so that's what we're working with. That's one. And another bathroom. This one has pretty foliage coming in. So that's pretty special.
No shortage of foliage here.
This we're hoping to make into our family room. And again, hoping for some kind of sliding doors here. And
Another secret room. The rooms never end here.
this used to hold huge boilers in this room. They took up this whole entire room, but we are hoping to turn this into like kind of a garage space, maybe laundry space.
Possibilities are endless.
And we'll take you outside. Okay,
Outside we are.
here we are.
Mostly metal roof, metal walls.
Right.
Nice long driveway. The roof's gonna need a lot of work. It's very rusty and there's a few leaks coming in, so we got some free water coming in through the ceiling. Have to put out some buckets. The large oil tank was removed.
Oh, it was huge. I will post some pictures of that oil tank that was right down here in the ground that was just removed.
Here's another building where we plan on living while we work on the large main building, but we first have to make it into a livable room.
So this is what we call the apartment.
Welcome.
And as we walk in down here, it seems like out of focus. We plan on putting in a kitchenette down there at the end and maybe some couches or something right about there. And then coming into this second half of the apartment structure, bathroom back on that wall, which would be a shower and a toilet and a sink, and then the bed right here, and closet right in there.
Lots of cool space to work with.
Beautiful old brick. Beautiful windows, and I forgot the name of these windows. It's like a French name. I will tell it, I will put it in the video because I did some research on it. We're gonna try to fix and save as much as we can. And I don't even know if they work. Do they work?
I don't think they do, but they will one day.
Over here. Oh, this is what I just said was the closet that we were going to make into a closet. And the last structure is this with no roof. A cinder block room with no roof. And that might just be our dumping space for right now, but we'll have to see if we make that into anything in the future. And this is the back that we need to tackle. So let's see. All right, so that is the house tour of our dry cleaning place where dry cleaning dreams come true. So follow us and see where this adventure takes us. So let's press it.
Press it.